Today we'll be taking measurements with and without impedance matching adapters with the MOHR CT100B TDR. Let's get started. Always remember to properly discharge static before connecting to any high-frequency test equipment, and never connect to live equipment. In this video, we will be using the MOHR CT100-AK-BNC 75, 93, and 125 Ohm Adapter Kit. These are for specialized applications that require precision impedance matching to the cable or device under test. We will demonstrate how to properly use these adapters, and in what may seem as surprising to most, why they are not necessary when using the MOHR CT100B TDR. This kit includes a 50 ohm to 75 ohm BNC adapter, 50 ohm to 93 ohm BNC adapter, 50 ohm to 125 ohm BNC adapter, BNC male to male adapter, BNC female to female adapter, SMA male to BNC female adapter, as well as this functional case to keep them all organized. First, starting with our 75 ohm adapter. Many of these cables have been featured in earlier videos. I'll have a link posted in the description as well as here in the video. I'm using a BNC to F connector adapter from the MOHR BNC Adapter Kit. Just as we've shown before, this cable shows 75 ohms and a nice smooth impedance profile as there are no defects in this line. I will scan the trace for comparison and show it with the other samples prepared for this video. Next, I will scan an Ethernet cable using our Ethernet adapter kit, and this twin lead cable using a BNC to RCA adapter from the MOHR BNC Adapter Kit. Now to compare our saved traces without adapters to the traces with the 50 ohm adapters for each. The 75 ohm adapter for the RG6 Coax, the 93 ohm adapter for Ethernet, and the 125 ohm adapter for the paired cable. You can see the readings for each in the saved trace. Notice how the measurements are muted, especially the opens at the end. The end of the twin lead practically disappears. When I switch to the active trace, you can see the adapters pull everything into that 50 ohm range. If your procedure requires the use of 50 ohm adapters, this is a high quality set that we offer. Now, I'm going to show you why they're not absolutely necessary with the MOHR CT100B. I have some damaged coax from an earlier video that we melted pretty good with a heat gun to show cable degradation in a high heat environment. First, without the adapter, you can clearly see the impedance drop where the cable is damaged. Next, with the 75 ohm adapter, much of the details have been muted. The damage may be overlooked as potentially not that bad, or in a longer cable, missed altogether. And this is due to the loss inherent with these types of adapters. To change the impedance to read in the 50 ohm range, resistance must be applied to the line and between the line and the outer shield or ground. This also gives us an attenuation of 5.7 decibels and a return loss of 24 to 25 decibels. And here they are again overlapping each other. You can see the dramatic difference between the two traces. If your procedure requires that you use an adapter, save the trace, and then take a measurement without, just so you can find the fault. And there you have it, impedance matching adapters for more test and measurement using the MOHR CT100B TDR. For more information, check out our website at mohrtm.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Give us a call or shoot us an email. And we'll see you next time.